Great quality at a great value has arrived with the Evga GQ series power supply lineup. These modular power supplies offer unrivaled quality at a great value, including a full 5-year warranty backed by Evga award-winning support, and are available in gold-rated efficiencies from wattages ranging from a high-end enthusiast 1000 watt unit down to a high-performance 650 watt unit. These power supplies also feature Evga Eco Mode for the ultimate in silent operation with fans that do not turn on until necessary. 100% high-quality Japanese capacitors are used for unrivaled performance, and a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan for long lifespan and whisper silent operation. A modular interface gives you flexibility over cable selection for a clean and efficient PC, along with a single plus 12-volt rail offering up to 83.3 amps. All built into an active clamp DC to DC layout for the most efficient design possible. And of course, 80 Plus Gold certified, offering up to 90% efficiency at typical loads. Get great quality at a great value today with the Evga GQ Power Supply series.